Hey guys, James White here with another video in my Trade My Trade series. This video I'm going to be talking about the EMA retest. When I say the EMA retest, I'm talking about the exponential moving average. This is a trade that will be going out in future stock alerts more and more as I come across these patterns. But let me go ahead and start and explain how this works. The exponential moving average. Some traders like to use the 13-day moving average, and some traders like to use the 20-day exponential moving average. I'm just going to use both in my stock charts. I use both whenever I look for these setups. But this goes in 5 steps, starting with a large drop in long-term price action. Number 2, we get a consolidation. 3, we get a spike in the price. 4, price drops to bounce off the EMA. And then 5, stock begins to stair step off of the EMA. So here's my first chart of how that works. With NYMX, you can see we get a large drop in the long-term price action into a consolidation. And from a consolidation, we get our first spike. It's after that first spike that this catches our attention. We're looking for the spike to come back into another consolidation to downtrend and retest the EMA. These exponential moving averages and technical indicators, there's no perfect indicator that gives you the perfect buy and sell signal, but these just kind of give us a heads up when to start looking. But you can see the price comes down, we get a bullish engulfing candlestick here. That's our sign that the stock is probably going to start making its way back up. So we get this other spike here. You take your piece of the pie, you take your profits anywhere in here. And again, it comes back down to retest the exponential moving average, and we get a dragonfly doji candlestick here and right into another spike and another retest, and we get our stair-stepping pattern. SPHS, again, large drop in the long-term price action into a consolidation and into our first spike. After our spike, SPHS retraces down to the EMA. The red one is the 13-day and the blue one is the 20. But here we get a series of hammers and dojis and morning stars. No clear signal of when it's going to change direction. This just indicates a lot of indecision of which way it wants to go. But anywhere in here that you would have entered, you would have ended up eventually going into this spike and again retesting the EMA. Here you see an inverted hammer into another spike, and then we get our stair-stepping pattern. HNR, again, we get a large drop in our long-term price action into a consolidation. We get our first spike, and this is where the stock first catches my eyes, and I find this pattern starting to develop. Stock comes down. You see we have a Morningstar doji here and a reverse in the price soon after crossing our 13-day and 20-day EMAs, and HNR has just continued to run. It's gone from 55 cents to $1.70. That is a 300% return there. I missed this one. IBIO had a huge run up, whether this was a pump and dump, had some great media, or good earnings report. I'm not sure, but we get a drop in the price action that drops over a few months into consolidation, and again we get our first spike. This one's not as clean as the other ones. I just want to show it because it doesn't always work out perfect. But you see when we cross the EMAs and we continue to get red candlesticks, it's not until we get this first green one that I'm starting to think that the price is going to reverse, and it did, into a spike and into our stair-stepping pattern. So the goal with all of these is to get in at the bottom of these bounces and sell in the spikes. Get in at the bottom and sell in the spikes. On these penny stocks under $3, which is where I run these charts at, these gains are huge. I mean, they're up to 100% or more in a lot of cases. Every single one of these that I just showed you. But that's it for the EMA retest. Sign up for my future stock alerts and my learning lessons. It's all free. Sign up, subscribe to www.bullmarketstocktrades.com or inbox me your email address on Facebook. Like my Facebook page, Bull Market Stock Trades. Thanks and have a great day.